Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our new topic, that is money. So money is an important thing. So if we have money, we have to do lots of activities just like buying and selling of goods. And if we want anything in this world, you require money. So this is our most important topic, how to exchange money, how to just total money, how to add money, subtract money. So let's see what we are having here. Money contains the currency of the country. Every country has its own currency, just like our India has its currency, that is rupees and paise. If we talk about other countries, just like America, USA, they are having dollars, and in some other country there is euro, pounds. Okay, these kinds of currencies are having. So if we talk about our Indian currency, we are having some notes and some coins are there. Okay, so let's see. Here we are having a chocolate of 22 rupees. So we have to pay rent. So I will choose two 10 rupees notes, 10%, 20 and 2 rupee note, that is 20 to school. And I have to give it to the shopkeeper. 22 rupees to buy a chocolate. Okay. So come to next part. Let's see about Indian money. Indian money, Indian money is in rupees and paise. These are currency, and rupees and paise are in the form of coins and notes. Okay. So we write this symbol for rupee or rupees, and we write P, capital P, for paise. So here we are having some coins which we used earlier, and they are not in running. Okay, in today's time. So just like this is 1 paisa coin, 2 paisa coin, 3 paisa coin, 5 paisa coin, 10 paisa coin, 20 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin, and 50 paisa coin. But these are the coins which we used earlier for buying some goods. Okay. But nowadays they are not in our economy, so which we are dealing with. So here we are having 1 rupee. Here we are having 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee, and 20 rupees coin. So these are the rupee coins which we are using in today's time. Okay. So let's see further. Okay, here we are having notes are available in the following information. So let's see. This is 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note. This is 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, and this is 500 rupee note. So if we look at them, they are the notes which we are going to use in our day-to-day life. So here we are having write the value of each note in the box. So this is 100 rupee note. So this is 200 rupee note we have seen here. And this is 500 rupees note. So we are having 500 rupee note. So there is one unit which we have to remember, that is 100 paise makes 1 rupee, or we can say that 1 rupee is close to 100. Okay, now here we are having exchange of money. So exchange of money means that is we can exchange money in terms of coins and different kinds of notes. Just like I have 500 rupee note, single note, and I need 100 rupee notes. So how many 100 rupee notes I required? So I think 500 rupees notes are required there. So here we are having this one, that is 50 rupee note 4. So here we require 50 rupee note 4, and here we are in 5 rupee note. How many notes of 5 rupees are required to make 50? That is 10. So here we are having 100 rupee note, and here we are having 20 rupees note. 20 into 5, that is 100. So we required 5 notes of 20 rupees to make it 100. Okay. So now move to next part. That is our exercise 10.1. And here we are having question number 1. Add the currency points. Okay. So let's pick C part from here. This is 10. This is 5. This is 2. And this is 1. So this is 15, 17 plus 1. That is 18 rupees. Okay. Let's pick one more part from here. Let's see E part, that is 5 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 1. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, that is 8 rupees. So we can say that here we are having 8 rupees. Okay, here we are having question number 2. write the value of each note of Indian currency. So if I look at it, this fifth part, here we are in 20 rupees note. Okay. Then we are having, this is I part. So we are having 500 rupees note. Question number 3. Which box has more money? Count the money in each. Remember to start from the biggest amount. So we are counting here. We are in 35. This is 25. And here we are having 20. Clear? So come to our next part, that is fourth part. Circle the notes and coins needed to buy. Okay, here we are having iron for 30 rupees. We will pick 10 and 10 20. This is 30. Okay, we will pick these coins and our amount is done. Okay, we can do it the circle part. Now move to next part. Okay, here we are having how to write money. So let's see. Let us, here we are 21 rupees and 50 paise. So we have to put the rupee sign first, then we have to write the 21. For showing paise, we have to put a decimal and then write it. Okay. So same here, we have to write in words. So this first part is for rupees and after decimal we are having paise. So here we are 500 rupees and 75 paise. Clear? Next we are having addition subtraction of rupees and paise. Let's see what we are having here. Nothing example is there. Okay, so now we are having our exercise at the 10.2 and here we are having addition of money. So we have to add rupees in rupees and paise into paise. Clear? So let's pick B part from here. That is paise is 75 paise and 50 rupees. We add 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. This is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 25. That is 30. So here we are having 30 rupees and 25 paise. Okay, let's pick one more question. That is F part. So 50 plus 50. We know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay, 50 plus 50, 100 paise. This will become 0 and we have to change it to 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 9 plus 7 is 16. So we are having 166 rupees. Okay, now here we are having question number 2. Add the following. Let's pick one question from here. So that is rupees 145 point 145 rupees and 25 paise and rupees 223.65 paise. Okay, let's pick it up. So this is 5 plus 5, that is 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. This is 9. Then decimal 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we are having 368 rupees and 19 paise. Okay, now come to our next part, that is for subtraction. Yeah. Here we will choose B part. Here again we use the same concept that paise will be separated from paise and rupees will be separated from rupees. So here we are at 75 minus 50, that is 25 paise, and 75 minus 15 is 60 rupees. So we are having 60 rupees and 25 paise. Clear? Next we are having word problem. Okay, now move to next part. Okay, here we are having our exercise that is 10.3, that is addition of money and subtraction of money. Okay. In addition of money, we have to find out the total sum type part. Okay. So let's pick one question from here. That's like B part. Here we are having question that is I bought bread for 15 rupees 75 paise, toffees for this and chocolates for this. How much money did I spend? Okay. So let's see the price. of bread. The price of bread is rupees 15.50 rupees 75 paise. Price of toffees is rupees 20 rupees and 50 paise. And then we are having price of chocolates is rupees 20. And how much money did I spend? So we have to find out that this total money is spent. Okay, now add them. This is 5, carry 1, this is 1, this is 6, and this is 5. So he spent 56 rupees and 25 paise. Clear? Next come to our subtraction part. So let's pick one question from here first. Okay, here we are having the part that is Sita had 35 rupees in her piggy bank. Out of that, she spent 15 rupees. And how much money is left? When we talk about the remaining part or leftover part, so we will use the concept of subtraction. So let's see. Here we are in Sita had 25 rupees in the piggy bank. Money in a piggy bank. That is rupees 35. Okay, then we are having money spent by her. That is rupees 15, and money left. This is money left with her. So we are having subtraction here. So are having 20 rupees left with her. Okay, here we are having chapter and exercise. You can do it by your own. So I think all the topics are covered. So thank you so much for listening us carefully. See you next video. Till then, all the best.